Dear friends, welcome to the channel, and today we have brought you a very famous grilled chicken recipe called Peri Peri chicken. Please watch this video right to the end because there are a few steps which must be followed. This recipe originates from Mozambique in Africa. We will start by making the marination paste for the chicken first. This marination paste has various spices such as cumin powder, garlic powder, ginger powder, red chili, salt, and lemon water. Detailed recipe of this paste can be found in the description. Once the paste is made, we will apply this on the chicken on the both sides. After applying the paste, we will marinate the chicken for at least 8 hours. This enhances the flavor of the chicken. In our next step, we will make the marination for potato wedges. In this marination, we use various spices. The details and the quantity can be found in the description. Once the marination has been prepared, we will soak the potato wedges into this marination. Apply this coating on all sides. After 8 hours of marination, we can place the chicken on a baking tray alongside these potato wedges. Please place this baking tray into preheated oven at 200 degrees Fahrenheit. The total cook time varies from 20 to 25 minutes depending on the weight of the chicken. After 15 minutes, brush some oil on the potato wedges and brush plenty of peri peri sauce on this marinated chicken. After 25 minutes, our peri peri chicken is ready and can be served with these potato wedges, salad and peri peri sauce. As you can see for yourself, this recipe was very easy to make and the taste of the chicken is amazing. With this, it is goodbye from us for today. Please take care of yourself and your loved ones. And please do not forget to like, subscribe and share our videos.